In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best quadcopters in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these quadcopters, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Tello Quadcopter. The Rise Tello is an inexpensive and compact quadrocopter that would be a really good option if you're a beginner who is looking for an easy-to-use quadcopter that can be used for developing your skills before you reach the stage where you can start using high-end drones. From a design perspective, the Tello measures 1.6 inches in height, 3.9 inches in width, 3.6 inches in depth, and weighs approximately 2.8 ounces, which makes it be extremely lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere with you. Speaking of the aesthetics, this unit has a white and black combo finish, of which the white is dominant at the top, while the black is equally spread across its bottom part and the propellers that are protected by the guards that will shield Tello from hitting in a wall or tree. At the front, you can notice the small, 5-megapixel camera that does a really good job in capturing photos and recording videos, so when you see it as a whole, this device looks definitely unique. Now, let's talk about the features. Tello can be operated via the included remote controller or through its smart application that has an intuitive user interface, and many interesting features that will surely ease and enhance your control over the device. For instance, the Tello app will let you have an option where you can make 8D flips with this quadcopter, the throw and go option and much more, so you can download it and use each of its options. I would also like to inform you that this unit is powered by an Intel processor and a vision positioning system which does a good job in facilitating a stable hovering. Another interesting thing about Tello is its ability to fly 10 meters vertically and up to 100 meters away, while capturing JPEG photos and 720 MP3 videos, and when we add its VR compatibility, it means that you can watch everything in a first-person view. Last but not the least, Tello can operate up to 13 minutes per charge according to the manufacturer, but in practice, you may get around 10 minutes, so for the price you pay this is quite good. Overall, the Rise Tello deserves your attention, because it is affordable and performs really well. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Parrot Anafee. The Parrot Anafee would be a really good option for you, if you're looking for an exceptionally compact quadcopter that comes with a 4K HDR camera and a long battery life which will allow you to capture wonderful photos and videos of your journeys. From a design perspective, the Anafee has an all-dark gray finished body with a lightweight carbon frame that houses foldable arms and dual-band antennas that will offer you a long-distance flight range. The carbon frame offers many benefits, of which the most notable is that it makes Anafee resistant to wind and crushes with a higher percentage range when compared with most of the quadcopters on the market. The other components include a smart battery, 4 high-efficiency foldable propellers, an SD card and a quality camera that is attached on a 180-degree tilt gimbal, so I have to admit that this quadcopter looks and feels well engineered. But now, let's talk about the performance. The Anafee has an integrated GPS and GLONASS geopositioning system that make this quadcopter smart enough to locate itself, and when we add the fact that its operational range is rated at 2.4 miles, it means that this quadcopter is definitely not a joke. Moreover, you can control Anafee via the included controller and the FreeFlight 6 mobile app that is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. For instance, you can choose from its numerous modes, including the cameraman mode that will create a rectangle around a specific object and fix the camera focus, the orbit, boomerang, parabola, tornado, and the follow me mode which will offer you photogenic angles. You can also take an advantage of the Find My Drone, the slow motion mode, return to home, and the geofence which will let you restrict Anafee to fly in a specific area. Another great thing about this unit is its speed that can reach up to 33 miles per hour, and its battery life that can offer you 25 minutes of flight time, which is enough to record 4K HDR videos or 21-megapixel photos of your journeys. To conclude, the Parrot Anafee is worthy of considering, because it is compact, durable and boasts a truly breathtaking performance that will never disappoint you. Next up, at number 3, we have the Uni Mantis Q. The Mantis Q is a small, yet powerful ultra-portable quadcopter that is suitable for everyone, starting from the beginners, intermediates and professional users who are keen on having an easy-to-use quadcopter that has many advanced features and a high-capacitive camera that can do miracles for you. From a design perspective, this unit sports a compact, monochrome construction that houses flexible arms that can be folded within seconds, as well as a quality camera that is conveniently positioned at the nose of the quadcopter, a micro SD card, and a removable 2800 mAh lithium battery. For your information, the camera does not sit on a stabilized gimbal, which is a bit awkward, but the camera can be tilted upwards by up to 20 degrees or downwards by 90 degrees. Before we move to the next section, I'd like to inform you that this unit is shipped with a single battery, one set of spare propellers, a power and USB cable, a controller and a 3-port charger, so you will be ready from the very beginning. Now, let's talk about the features. The Mantis Q utilizes an advanced stabilization system, down-facing dual sonar sensors, and an infrared detection, which basically means that this unit is suitable for both indoors and outdoors use. But what got my attention the most regarding this product is its speed that can reach up to 44.7 miles per hour, and its camera that can capture photos with a resolution of 4800 by 2700 pixels with an aspect ratio of 16:9, 4160 by 3120 pixel photos with an aspect ratio of 4:3, and 4K videos. I would also like to add that the Mantis Q has interesting features and intelligent flight modes as well. For instance, it accepts voice control, so you can give commands in form of wake up, take a picture, record a video, and take a selfie, which is awesome. Finally, the battery life is maybe the biggest highlight about this product, due to the fact that it can last up to 33 minutes on a single battery charge. Overall, if you're looking for a quadcopter that offers a great value for its price, then the Mantis Q is the one for you. Moving on, at number 2, we have the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air is among the best, if not the best, quadcopters in its price range, due to the fact that this device has everything needed that will guarantee you a fully immersive user experience like you've never tasted before. From a design perspective, the Mavic Air is available in 3 colors, such as the red, the white, and the all-matte black, which we are currently reviewing, but to be honest, regardless of your choice, all of them look unique and share the same functionalities, so you can't go wrong. This particular model has an ultra-portable and foldable construction that houses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that is protected by gimbal dampeners, which will ensure that the 4K camera can capture and record flawless videos and photos. At the top, there are 4 high-speed propellers that have hinges at the bottom, which will ensure a safe landing, while above the main camera, the underside and the rear, there are sensors that make this quadcopter effective in terms of navigation. At the bottom, you can find a removable battery, and 4 indicator lights that will inform you about the battery status, so you will always know when it is a time for a recharge. But now, let's talk about the performance. Even though DJI Mavic Air comes with an ergonomic and foldable remote controller, you can also download the DJI Go 4 app that offers 6 quick shots modes such as the Circle, Drone, Rocket, Helix, Asteroid and Boomerang, so you can each of them with a single tap on your screen. Moving on, this unit also has an internal storage of 8 GB, aside of the included micro SD card slot, which I really like, due to the fact that you can save your content directly to this quadcopter. Last but not the least, the battery life can last up to 21 minutes per charge, which means that you will have enough time for capturing dozens of photos and videos. To conclude, the Mavic Air is a must-have, especially if you're looking for a high-end quadcopter. And finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Mavic 2. The DJI Mavic 2 is a premium and professional quadcopter that would be an excellent option for you, especially if you want to invest in an insanely powerful quadcopter that is armed with numerous sensors and features which will elevate your user experience to a whole different level. From a design perspective, the Mavic 2 boasts a stylish, angular body that holds 4 fold-out rotor arms, a battery pack at the back and a camera on the front, so from the moment you start flying it, you won't stop admiring of its beauty. In addition, this unit comes with a 3-axis gimbal that will dramatically enhance the stability of the camera while capturing videos or photos, and let's not forget the presence of the SD card, which has a support of up to 128 GB. I would also like to inform you that this unit can be folded as well, and when we add the fact that weighs approximately 5.51 pounds, it means you won't have any difficulties in terms of transport, so you can carry it with you anywhere you go. Now, let's talk about the features. The Mavic 2 uses a hybrid autofocus tracking system which according to the users is extremely effective, due to the fact that this quadcopter can maintain razor-sharp visuals when zooming in and out, as well as the low noise technology that makes this unit capable of performing silently. Moreover, this model also uses trajectory prediction algorithms that will drastically improve its tracking capabilities on one side, while on the other, this quadcopter can recognize, read and avoid obstacles from both the front and behind, so you shouldn't worry about anything. When it comes to the camera, well, thanks to the 48mm telephoto lens, all of your videos will be extremely defined, while in terms of pictures, this unit supports 4 panorama modes including sphere, 180 degrees, horizontal and vertical, so both the pictures and the videos will look amazing. Finally, the battery life may last up to 31 minutes of flight time, which is yet another good proof that says a lot about its quality performance. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the DJI Mavic 2, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will never regret that decision. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these quadcopters, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.